welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about people who have dry skin, people who have combination skin, people who have flaky skin, and people who have wrinkly skin. And it doesn't necessarily have to be on your face. Some people have really very dry feet, and I will show you how you will be using just one ingredient to treat your dry, wrinkly face or skin. All you need is egg yolk, the yolk of the egg. Now let's go ahead and remove the yolk from this egg, and I will show you how you will use it. To give a very small opening so you will be able to take out the white, separate the white from the yolk, and make sure your face is all cleaned up. And also go ahead and apply that on at the back of your hands to restore lost moisture. Go ahead and apply it, and we are going to wait for 10 minutes. Let's wait for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, the egg yolk is dried on my skin. You can see that. You can see where I have wrinkles, where the wrinkles are supposed to be forming on around my mouth area. It's already deep penetrating right into the skin. So let's wash it off now. So you can see my face is all smoothed up like glass. You know, you touch your skin feels like a glass. Even my hands, look at the back of my hands. I think I love it. It's all soft and subtle. Yes, you can try this 2 times every week, 2 times in a week, to maintain your skin subtleness and to decrease wrinkle formation and to make your skin glow. Thank you guys for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.